guys how to make a chevron bracelet. So the way you start is you grab the two end strings that you have, which for me it's the purplish reddish string and the white string. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a backward forward knot, make it into 4, go up, and then you're going to do it the other way, the forward way, doing the 4. You're going to go under and over. And it's going to kind of look like a little zigzag line like that. And then you're going to grab the string that you just knotted with the string, and you're going to do a backwards knot. Backwards knot is like a P, like a backwards 4. And you're going to do 2 of those. You're going to do that till you get to the middle of your bracelet, and then stop. So now that that's done, sorry about the lighting. I think that might be better. So then I've done it all the way across to here. So then I stop once I get to the middle string, and then I do it again on this side. Okay, so after you're done with it, you're going to see the zigzag lines again on the sides, and then you're going to grab your next string that you have, which for me it's teal, and you're going to do a forward knot. You're going to do that 2 times just like the other side. And same as the other side, you're just going to keep doing this until you get to the middle. And then once you get to the middle, you stop. You're going to see that these two are separated from each other. And so you're going to need to attach them. So usually what I do to attach them is I just do a forward knot. You could do a forward knot or a backward knot or a forward backward knot. But I rather just do a forward knot. Once you get to the middle, and then you connect them. You do that twice too. And I'm going to show you guys one more time how to make the bracelet. Like one more example, if you forget. Okay, so you're going to grab strands on the right side. You're going to do a backward forward knot. Go up. And then you do the other side, like a regular 4. And then go under, over, go forward. And then you grab the other string you have, which for me it's the blue, the teal, and the other white. So you're supposed to put double, like if you have white here or teal here, you have to have another color right in the middle, like when you're combining the things and making a knot like this. So you have to have double the colors on the ends. And then you're going to do a backwards knot twice, just like I said before. You're going to do it for all the strings until you get to the middle. And you know you get to the middle because in the middle there are 2 strings like that. Okay, so now I'm to the middle, and I'm going to grab this string like I did before. I'm going to still do the backwards knot, and I'm going to do that 2 times. Okay, so now I stop with this right here, and then now I'm going to go to the other side, the left side. And I'm going to do the forward backward knot. So that is like this, and then you go straight. The forward knot, and then the backward knot, you hold it like in a backwards 4, you go up. Like that. Okay. So then what you're going to do, you're going to grab the other white, like I said on the other side. You're going to do a forwards 4. And do that twice, like I said to do on the other side. And you're going to keep doing this till you get to the middle. Keep doing it twice, the forward knot twice. So basically when you're on the left side, you're doing a forward knot, but when you're on the right side, you're doing a backward knot. Okay, so I'm at the middle, now I'm just going to do that forward knot 2 times, one more time. So, I didn't show how I ended my bracelet, but I'm gonna do that in another video. But as you could see, I kind of did something different. I braided my bracelet, and so it would be split in half like that. And at the end, I braided it, and it will fit really nice on your wrist. Well, thank you guys for watching my video, and if you want to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up, and comment down below if you tried it and you liked it. And have a great day. Thank you guys for watching.